Hey guys, we're back to show you how to remove a door panel on Genesis GV80. This one's really simple. All you need is a little pick tool and a screwdriver. It's one of the easiest door panels. So pretty much in here, there's a little cover at the bottom. That's why I like to use a pick tool. It's easy to kind of hook it and get it out. You just want to remove that. Once you remove that, screwdriver, one screw, right there. I find this one easier if you roll down the window. What I like to do is I like to just grip the top of the door panel right here, kind of bend it back a bit, and just give it a little tug. And that's how easy the door panel comes off on this one. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what car you want to see next.